Today we are going to install a Fastboot CV boot using a quick shot tool. A few things to keep in mind before we get started. Quick shot should be used with Fastboots only. Ensure that your Fastboot is soft and pliable before installation. You can restore stretchability by warming the boot up or wringing it out like a wash rag. Be sure to keep your hands, face, and body away from moving parts. Wear safety goggles and rubber gloves. Also, refer to the quick shot instructions for additional warnings and information. To get started, set the compressor air pressure at 7 bars or 100 psi. Maximum safe pressure is 9 bars or 125 psi. First, we are going to do an outer boot. The same process can be used for an inner boot by simply turning the boot inside out. Inner boot instructions follow outer boot instructions. Start by cutting the corner of the grease packet and applying a small amount of grease inside the Fastboot small end using your finger. Next, slide the Fastboot onto the quick shot arms. Press the plus button on the quick shot to expand the Fastboot. While you are expanding the boot, it is important to keep a hand on the boot to ensure the boot is secure in the quick shot. Place the boot over the CV joint and press the minus button to release the air. Slide the Fastboot off of the quick shot arms. Apply grease to the CV joint. Apply grease to the inside of the boot. Slide the Fastboot onto the CV joint. Seat the boot fully on the joint. Burp the boot by pinching the small end to release any trapped air. Depending on your banding tool, refer to the Fastboot Standard, Fastboot Hex, or Fastboot Premium video for clamp installation instructions. To do an inner boot, you first roll the Fastboot inside out. Apply a small amount of grease inside the small end of the boot as shown. Slide the Fastboot onto the quick shot arms. Press the plus button on the quick shot to expand. Place the Fastboot over the outer CV joint onto the axle. Press the minus button to release the air. Slide the Fastboot off of the quick shot arms. Roll the Fastboot right side out. Slide the Fastboot up to the inner CV joint. Depending on your banding tool, refer to the Fastboot Standard, Fastboot Hex, or Fastboot Premium video for clamp installation instructions. Refer to the instructions included with your Fastboot kit as well. Additional information can be found at norrecind.com.